Hi there, and today we're going to learn about how to add the Mailchimp sign-up form in Wix. So here I am in my Wix website and I want to add the sign-up form here that is taken from Mailchimp. So what we're going to do first is we're going to go to our Mailchimp account. So here I am in the main Mailchimp dashboard. So we'll just click on the create button. From here, we'll click on sign up form and we will click on embedded form. You can put a name here if you want, but you can also just edit it later once you click on begin. So from here, we have this standard sign up form which only has the email address. So we can change this. We can put the first name and last name. We can put the address. We can also input some phone number, birthday, company, last appointment type, and last appointment date. So we don't really need all of this. Maybe I'll just need up until here. And maybe I just put the address as well. So after this, you can rearrange this. So for example, if you want the email address to be at the third, you can just click on the 6 dots right here and then just drag and drop them. For example, like that, we can see that the sign up form fields are changing depending on where they are placed here on the left sidebar. So I'll just also input some required fields. So as you can see, the email address is a required field as it has the asterisk. We can do that for the other fields as well. For example, for the first name, we can just click on it and then click set as required. And then we can see that we have this asterisk indicating that the first name is required as well. And for the last name, we can do that as well. And for the address, you can put it as required if you want, but if not, you can just put it like this. And then for the birthday, company, last appointment, I don't need that, so we'll just leave it like this. For the email address, I'll just put it here at the third as a third field. And then phone number, we can input this as a required field as well. And then for the help text, you can just put in you can input this as a helping description for the users. We can do this as well for the other fields that is in here. Like that. And then once you're done, we can also edit the look of our sign-up form. What we can do, we can go back here and go to settings, and then for the title, if you want to change it like this, you can also change the width of our form. For example, this is 600. You can change it to 800, to 1000, and so on and so forth. So I'll just leave it at 600. And then go back here. And then once you're here, you can go tags if you want, and then a referral badge. So once we're done, we'll just click on continue, and then our form is ready. So what we can do is we will just copy this code, go back to our Wix website, so my browser is bugging right now. Maybe I can just reload our website. Okay, now that our website is loaded, I will go back to my page, the sign up page. And then from here, we will put the sign up form right here that is taken from Mailchimp. So what we're going to do, click on Add Elements, click on Embed Code, click on Embed HTML, and then we will paste our code right here that is taken from Mailchimp. Click on Update. And then as we can see, our sign up form is now here on our Wix website. And when we click on preview, we can insert some information right here. And then we can see that it is working. And that is how we add the sign up form taken from Mailchimp in our Wix website. That is it for this video. I hope you learned how to do it, and thank you for watching.